The best hashtags used on TikTok have recently changed, and if you don't adapt to the new 4 best TikTok hashtag strategies, it could be the reason that you're seeing a decrease in both the amount of views and the amount of followers that you're currently seeing. And I do need to warn you, the last hashtag strategy I'm going to share with you in this video makes the most posts go viral on TikTok if you're a small channel, so I strongly suggest that you pay attention to it and begin implementing it into your content. In addition to that, I'm going to go over a ton of things that I see so many of you guys doing wrong when it comes to hashtags, because there are so many mistakes that are decreasing the amount of views that you're getting. But first, I need you to smash that subscribe button. If you want to grow quicker on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube, I literally upload a video every single day about how to grow on these platforms. In addition to that, I created a free TikTok growth course, so you can get the link in the pinned comment below. It's going to tell you things like the best time to post right now on TikTok, because that also matters in addition to the hashtags that you're using. Now, the first best hashtag strategy that you need to make sure you're implementing is 3 niche specific hashtags. If you don't know what niche specific hashtags are, they're going to be the hashtags that are relevant to whatever you're posting about. So if you're posting about fitness, it's going to be hashtag fitness, hashtag at home workout, hashtag home workout. If you're doing makeup or fashion or beauty, it's going to be the things related to that. The easiest way to find these niche specific hashtags is whatever you're about to post about, go type that into the TikTok search bar, go under hashtags, and you will see a ton of hashtags under there. Those are the ones that you should be using. And remember, you want to be using 3 of them for this first strategy. Now, there are other types of hashtags on TikTok that are available, and they're going to be broad hashtags, things like hashtag FYP, hashtag viral, hashtag trending. And there are a lot of people out there that'll tell you not to use these, but you need to be skeptical of those people, because the majority of videos that go viral on TikTok, they actually have these hashtags. The reason being, it opens you up to a much broader audience, and it allows you to get more views than you typically would have been able to get. And this brings me to the second hashtag strategy that you need to be implementing, which is going to be 3 broad hashtags. Now remember, these hashtags include things like hashtag FYP, hashtag trending, hashtag TikTok, hashtag for you page. And the reason that you want to be using these is because it's going to expand the reach you're going to get. But in addition to that, I need to make sure that you're not making a few mistakes that I see so many small channels making right now on TikTok. The first one is using small hashtags. You do not want to use small hashtags. The reason being is because hashtags are going to allow TikTok to say, oh, this is who they're trying to reach, and then it increases the amount of reach that you're getting. We can tell this because if you try to run ads on TikTok, you can actually target people by hashtags, which means that the TikTok algorithm is actually using those hashtags to classify what people are interested in, and essentially it allows them to push out content to other people. For example, when somebody interacts with the video with hashtag beauty in it, guess what happens? They then get served more videos that have that hashtag or are on that topic, which is why you need to make sure that you're implementing these hashtags, because in the beginning of your TikTok journey, you're going to want to try to rank for as many keywords as you possibly can so that TikTok becomes familiar with who they should be pushing your content to. And the way that you do this is by using the right hashtags, putting the right keywords in your descriptions, putting the right keywords in your content, and most importantly, creating content on things that people actually care about. But when it comes to those hashtags, make sure they're large. The second mistake I see so many creators using with hashtags is they put them before their description, they put them in the middle of the description, or they put them in the comment section. And these are some of the dumbest things you could do when it comes to hashtags. When it comes to hashtags, make sure they are after your description. They should still be in the description box, but they should be after the text. They should come after that. That is the best way for you to put them in there and to signal to TikTok exactly who you are trying to reach. And then finally, you want to make sure that you're not using irrelevant hashtags. If you're using irrelevant hashtags, you're going to confuse the algorithm. They're going to show your beauty video to somebody that's interested in crypto because you put hashtag crypto in there, and guess what ends up happening? That person doesn't watch the video, your watch time decreases, your completion rate decreases, the percentage of people finishing the first 70 seconds of your video decreases, and then guess what happens? Nobody ends up seeing your video because TikTok's gonna say, people that were supposed to be interested in this weren't interested in it, so let's not show it to anybody else, because anybody we showed this video to, they left the app. The third hashtag strategy that you need to make sure that you're implementing is 5 niche specific hashtags. Now, please make sure that these aren't hashtags that are incredibly long, because if you're doing them incredibly long, it's going to take up way too much space in your description and people are going to be incredibly confused, and TikTok will also be confused. Now, before I share with you the last TikTok hashtag strategy that you need to be using that makes the majority of videos go viral, I did want to share something with you. It is easier to grow on TikTok right now than it ever has been before. And if you don't take advantage of this opportunity, you are going to regret it and you're going to miss out, because more brands are spending more money on TikTok than ever before. In addition to that, you can finally sell things on TikTok. In the past, it was incredibly hard to sell things, so you could amass these large follower bases, but it wasn't that easy to monetize them. But now it's incredibly easy to monetize TikTok. There's so many people making 6 figures, 7 figures every single year simply by uploading content to TikTok, and I want that to be a reality for you. But the only way that that's gonna happen is if you take this opportunity seriously and you get serious about growing on TikTok right now. Now, the last hashtag strategy that I need to make sure that you're doing is 1 broad hashtag and 2 niche specific hashtags. Now remember, I shared with you 4 different hashtag strategies. You're going to want to use all 4 of them. Use one on one post, use another on another post, use the next one on the next post, and eventually, after 10 or 12 posts, you're going to realize which one of them works the best, and then you should be using that one 80% of the time, testing the others 20% of the time to ensure that you're taking advantage of the thing that is working right now, but you're constantly testing to figure out what might work in the future. Now, if you want to get guaranteed followers on TikTok right now, well then keep watching this video because I've got a special offer for you. The opportunity to grow on TikTok and this organic reach that we're currently seeing is not going to last for forever. And the only 2 things holding you back from getting the followers that you deserve right now on TikTok and the followers that you want is 1, you haven't implemented the steps that I share with you in this video to help you get more followers. And 2, you haven't gotten into my TikTok mentorship program yet, where I literally am going to guarantee that I help you get more followers in the next 30 days, or you get your money back, 0 questions asked. And the way that this works is I'm going to tell you exactly what to post, when to post, what hashtags to use to guarantee that you get more followers in the next 30 days. If that sounds interesting, then please go to the link in the description below and get signed up right now. The average person that's gone through this program in the last 30 days has gained over 50,000 followers, and nobody has ever gone through it and gained less than 6,500 followers if they implemented everything that I share with them. And since you're still watching this video, I'm going to assume that you're above average. So the odds of you gaining over 50,000 followers in just 30 days is probably quite high. And it doesn't matter what your background is or what your niche is. This program is going to help you get more results faster and easier. If you're struggling right now to grow on TikTok, you need to get into this, because every single day that you wait, it's only going to get harder to grow. So what are you waiting for? Go to the link in the description below and sign up right now. You literally have absolutely nothing to lose. You're going to get more followers on TikTok, or you're going to get your money back. In fact, this creator just went through this program and gained over 10 million followers. This creator over 14 million, and this creator over 16 million. And I want you to be my next success story. So please stop procrastinating, invest in yourself now, and get the TikTok followers that ultimately you deserve. Or I strongly suggest you check out the next 2 videos I put up on the screen, because they're the videos YouTube thinks you should watch next. Thank you so much for watching.